This 1969 Super Bee was restored from the ground up and fully customized by MCR Restorations. The Super Bee received a chemical strip, awesome extensive factory panel replacements, and many reinforcements and modifications, including mini tubbing to fit 20 by 15 wheels in the back. Painted a spectacular PPG high metallic gray and finished with an unbelievable Tour-Door red tail stripe. The 572 cubic inch Hemi produced 476 rear wheel horsepower and 704 rear wheel torque and went to 544 horsepower and 745 torque with a nitrous system engaged. Nitrous, timing, and traction control are provided by the fast XFI system, Dana 60 with 440 gears, oil pre-lubrication system, stainless steel tank, paddle shift assembly, hydro boost, 4-wheel 13-inch disc brakes, ISIS multiplexing system with iPod interface, vintage air AC, push-button start, HID headlights, complete custom red leather interior, feature engine turn stainless panels, and center console. Amazing! 4-layer sound deadening system, custom molded trunk with fire suppression system, nitrous bottle and warmer, and custom stereo. We invite you to review the entire restoration process documented by over 1,200 photographs.